Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start inside Excel with the Developer tab enabled so you can access the Visual Basic editor immediately. Once done, press Alt plus F11 to open the editor. This gives you the code workspace. Make sure to insert a module via Insert Module so code is organized and reusable. You do this now to avoid workbook-level confusion and to separate procedures from worksheet events, which makes debugging and sharing much simpler as you proceed to write your first routine. You now write a sub-procedure that performs the task. Start with sub my macro and end sub. Use descriptive names and comments so you and others understand why each step exists. Access cells with worksheets, Sheet 1, Cells 1, value to read or write data, and use loops or if statements to handle rows dynamically. Once written, assign the macro to a button or run it from the editor to test small sections. This keeps changes safe and lets you validate logic incrementally. You finish by saving the workbook as a macro-enabled file *, XLSM, and testing complete flows with representative data. Make sure to add error handling around file and range operations so the macro fails gracefully. Include clear messages for users. Once validated, assign to quick access or a ribbon button for everyday use. If something breaks, step through with F8 and inspect the immediate and locals windows. This single troubleshooting tip usually reveals wrong ranges.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.